Hi, Michael.
Daddy, no.
I don't get any?
Yes.
Okay, you go for it.
No.
You drink some. Whose child are you?
Yes. Cheers. Fruit. Cheers. Fruit.
Can I drink some?
No.
Well, get back here then.
Justin, quiet.
Dad. Open. Open.
You opened it. Good job. Okay, don't spit.
Bye.
Because you like the juice?
Juice.
You like it?
Yes.
Okay.
Dad, open.
You did it. Drink some more.
Okay. Daddy. Come on, Mikey, you like it.
We're gonna be out of lemon juice tonight.
Mom, do you want to listen to the drums?
No.
Well, my mail. Bucket, bucket.